So Fujifilm's SYNAPSE portfolio is currently the market leader globally. And with Brazil being the 7th largest population and having large health systems, it gives us a great opportunity to test the boundaries of SYNAPSE and bring it to the Brazilian market. So I've had an opportunity to visit a number of health systems while in Brazil. They're very large, some of the largest in the world, and it is an opportunity for us to really look at how we can expand enterprise imaging at the largest scale, which will help us in other large organizations around the world. And we already have a very large footprint in SYNAPSE in some of the biggest health systems in North America and Europe and Australia. And Brazil is not different in the size of the health systems. In fact, some of the most modern technology that I've seen here in Brazil in the tours I've had at the health system. So we're excited about what SYNAPSE can do for this environment here. Well, SYNAPSE is a centralized solution. So we bring together radiology, cardiology, pathology. We're able to really centralize imaging in a way that there's no longer boundaries, and physicians have the ability to communicate, and they have access to data, and that extends to the patients and really creates a continuum of care that is a digital imaging record, and that's something that we do very well. Well, SYNAPSE was designed as a central enterprise imaging platform. So we eliminate imaging silos throughout all areas, not just radiology, but now we're expanding cardiology, point of care ultrasound, any area in a health system that is producing imaging, we're bringing it in, we're centrally managing it, and then we're providing that access out to all of the physicians, the diagnostic users, as well as the patient population. And that really creates a new possibility for communication between physicians. And at the end, it really produces better care, quality of care, and a better experience for the patient. So Fujifilm has a very unique AI and advanced visualization strategy. As a vendor, we produce AI imaging analytics algorithms, and we have them deployed throughout the world in the areas of screening and precision medicine. But we take it further and we build the adoption of AI into our software applications. And that allows us to really look at the workflow of artificial intelligence, and not just in imaging, but we're also expanding to non-imaging artificial intelligence, looking at optimizing the processes, the automation in workflows where you look at areas like scheduling, the patient process, how communication is happening, reporting, analytics. So we're excited to bring more of our artificial intelligence strategy to the Brazilian market through the enterprise imaging platform. So our advanced visualization technology is part of our enterprise imaging suite. So it doesn't operate in a silo. So surgeons, for example, with pre-surgical planning or post-consultation with patients, they're able to access all of the advanced visualization that we can create with our 3D products anywhere in the platform, on any viewer, in any area. So it's a really unique system in the way that we bring advanced tools like that into the enterprise imaging ecosystem. So we have access to all data within enterprise imaging. We're not just bringing imaging from different departments and imaging silos together. We're also incorporating reports and clinical information notes really a holistic record for the patient. So in our environment, we want to centralize all imaging. So we want a complete patient imaging record. And that doesn't just benefit the physicians, that benefits the patient in their ability to make their records portable and share and consultate with other physicians and other health systems, et cetera. So I think that's an important part of modern healthcare. So Synapse is one of the most secure software applications in healthcare. We have our system deployed in some of the largest environments globally. We are a modern IT platform. We are always updating our solution to be current. And though Synapse was introduced over 25 years ago, our customer base globally is always up to date. We don't have legacy components that could pose a security risk in our platform. We maintain our customers on the most recent versions of Synapse at all times, and maintaining a modern security posture and technology portfolio and keeping our current customers up to date is really key to security, and also overall making sure the technology does not have an obsolescence with our customer base. So we're excited to continue to expand Synapse beyond radiology, cardiology. We're now moving into areas like point-of-care ultrasound. We're looking at new imaging areas like pathology. We are bringing artificial intelligence to all of those areas. I think all of that will benefit not just the workflow of the health systems and efficiencies, but also the patient and the care that they would expect. So we're excited about the new technologies we will be bringing. We will certainly be looking at modern architecture and continuing to leverage cloud adoption and security in everything we do in the future. So we're excited to be here in Brazil this week. We're looking at strengthening our business. Brazil is one of the Fujifilm company hubs that we have in South America. It's one of the largest markets. So we're really excited to continue to expand Brazil. They have some of the largest health systems in the world, as we talked about. And that's something that will really allow our enterprise imaging direction to be tested and brought into this market and really benefit Brazil. And we want to learn from the workflow and the physicians and the health systems here as Brazil continues to expand healthcare and grow the health systems and the volumes, and how we will manage large data sets moving forward and incorporating new technology that comes into medical imaging. All of that is exciting for us to build a strong Brazilian company here that is ready to adopt, to deploy, and to support the Brazilian market. Well, Radiology PACS was the leader in medical imaging. It was the first product that we introduced in 1999, and that has really led the way for cardiology and pathology workflow and other areas to grow in medical imaging. And we have leveraged that to bring those technologies together into a centralized portfolio. And also VNA. VNA as a technology has allowed us to centralize imaging, leveraging modern IT capabilities and really bringing all of the different imaging-ologies together into that centralized single patient record. And that's something that we're excited to bring to Brazil as well. So as I've visited a number of customers in Brazil, one thing I noticed is that the technology is some of the best that I've seen globally deployed here in Brazil. You have the best MRI technology, mammography. You're really taking advantage of the very latest. And what you need with that type of technology is you need a modern platform that's capable of handling large data sets, distributing them across large populations of physicians, large geographical deployments. And so as Brazil grows with their healthcare and their enterprise imaging solutions, they will need technologies like SYNAPSE to handle the type of volume that you see here in Brazil. And we're excited to help Brazil with that expansion.